Alright folks, this is Amtrak San Joaquin bound train 717 on its way to the Oakland Jet Landing Square, Oakland. I think this is a venture car set with an F59 PHI on it leading. So this is Amtrak San Joaquin train 717 arriving at Emeryville station on a rainy day. Yeah, it's on a venture car set. No, that's not a venture car set. It's a bi-level. 2001 lease off. Actually, this is a common car bi-level regular set. Alright folks, we'll be right back after these commercial break. This is the common car bi-level set. Okay, we are back right now. This is Amtrak 717 San Joaquin train set. F59 PHI 2001. Lead it off. Followed by 8306 bound Soda, tail end in the back of this one.
I think David caught that one.
David caught that one, yeah, but he's in Sacramento. Next stop for that train is Oakland Jet Landing Square, Oakland, as this train is switching track right now. Alright, 8306. Now Soda, the P5 horn on this one. That's a good set on that one. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. This train is going to Oakland Jet Landing Square, Oakland. Will be back in service on 7/14 tomorrow. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Or it could be on 7/12 tomorrow. Alright, bye.